Hi everyone, my name is Keith. I'm a machine expert with USACLEAN for 12 years, and this is the Noble's Speed Scrub 300 20-inch auto scrubber. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to keep your machine running at peak performance and help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. We're having solenoid issues and we need to replace it. Super simple, this is how you do it. We have two Torx 20 screws holding the solenoid to the frame. We got to remove those. I would like to mention that it's much easier to get to your solenoid if you remove your caster wheel. Now, we can drop the solenoid and unplug the butt connectors. Just like that. So the next step we need to do, we need to remove the hoses from the quick connects on the inlet side and the outlet side. So this is the inlet side. Pull that tab in and pull the hose out. Go to the back and the same thing. Pull the tab in, pull the hose out, just like that. With the solenoid off, now get a small flathead screwdriver and just loosen the screws in the knob. Now there's a spring behind here. Pull the knob off and the spring off. And now you can remove the bracket. Now get your new solenoid, replace the bracket, the spring, and the knob. Hold it into place. Tighten the screws back on. Now we can reattach it back to the machine. On the outlet side, just push it in. On the inlet side, do the same thing. Now we can plug the butt connectors back in. Make sure that you reattach the ground wire. Get the one side started. Tighten down the screws. She came unplugged, that's okay. Just plug it back in. And you are done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you liked what you watched, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.